Viura, Viura, Viura. The typical Spanish pronunciation, Viura, Viura, Viura. Viura is a white wine grape variety that originates from Spain. It is very famous for being the backbone of the white wines made in Rioja. But Viura is also cultivated around Spain, like in the region of Rueda, where it participates in the Rueda blend together with the typical Verdejo grape that is grown in Rueda, with sometimes a little bit of Sauvignon Blanc. So Viura is extensively used around Spain, where it is known as Macabeo. Macabeo being a synonym of Viura. It is also very importantly grown in the Spanish wine region of Catalunya, in the northeastern part of the country, where it comes because the Catalan language is slightly different from Spanish language, as Macabeu. Macabeu being one of the grapes used in the Cava blend sparkling wines of Cava made in Catalunya. Viura, Macabeo and Macabeu are all synonyms of Viura. Viura, the white wine grape variety that is called Viura. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please give it a like before you go, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine.